Hi everybody. Today we are with business launch consultant Miss Aditi. Today she is going to tell us how to set up a salon here in UAE. So hi Aditi, how are you?
Hi Kasim, I'm very good.
So tell us about why open a salon in UAE.
Yeah, that's a very good question actually. See, saloon is a very lucrative business in UAE because, as you know, Dubai brand, and there are so many people all across the nationalities from all across the world live here, and hence in Dubai it's more about how you present yourself. So, saloon is a business wherein if you have expertise, you have experience, so you can run it really well. But you just need to know who to target, who are your target audience, which locality you are taking, how you're doing the pricing and all. But Dubai is a place wherein this kind of business works very well because everybody wants to be presentable. That's your brand value, and you want to make a mark for yourself. So in this country, in this city, salon is a very good business to go with.
So our next question is, are there any types of salons are there?
Yeah, so there are varieties of saloons, and depending on people's expert areas, they decide where to or what type of saloon they should go ahead with. So primarily, if we just go by the types of activities, saloon activities are divided into two major parts. One is gents saloon and another is ladies saloon. And within ladies saloon as well, it could be either limited to hairdressing, and otherwise there are saloons which are more into makeup and cosmetics, spa, those kind of activities. So this is how people are usually opening saloons. Either they are dedicated to hairdressing or makeup side. Likewise for gents saloon as well, it could be hairdressing or it could be skincare.
So the next question is, I have heard there are any approvals.
Yes. This is a professional activity actually. The best part is you can be 100% owner in this activity. So you just need a local service agent. However, to start with this, there are certain approvals required. There are some guidelines set by the government. So majorly it's Dubai Economic Department which is approving most of the activities which are there. So their approval is must for every business activity in UAE. But for this, when we talk about spa, then we also require Dubai Municipality approval.
So now we are coming to the final and most important question, that what are the costs related for setting up a salon in UAE?
Yes, so when you are planning to have a salon in Dubai, in that case there are three types of costs involved. One is the shop cost, which is one of the major costs. So as soon as you finalize the place, obviously that comes as a big cost for you, and that cost will completely depend on the kind of locality one picks. So the more posh it is, obviously the cost of that space is going to be much higher, and the shop cost can vary anywhere from 50,000 dirham to 100,000 dirham. So that's one cost. After that, the paperwork which happens, the entire documentation process, which involves your license cost, all the government fee we pay to Dubai Economic Department, Dubai Municipality approvals, to the local service agent who is there as an agent in the license, and establishment card, initial approval, then a memorandum. So these are the things which incur cost. So this is another cost, and entire this paperwork is managed by us for our clients, and this can be anywhere between 25 to 30,000 dirham. And the third cost is, once you have found the place, after that you have to build the infra of that salon according to government guideline. So you have to buy the chairs, the furniture, the ceilings have to be appropriate, the wash basin area, and all other requirements, all the salon related equipments, right? All that is going to be another cost, and that depends on how big the salon is, what are the facilities you are providing, what are the activities you are going to do in that decides the cost. So, like for example, one chair that can cost you anywhere between 1 to 2,000 dirham. Now, it would depend on the person who's setting it up, what kind and how posh and how extravagant they want to make the salon look like. So, these are the three parts in which the cost is divided: your shop cost, the paperwork license cost entire, and then your interior setup, furniture, and all that cost. So that is how the costing works.
Thank you so much, Aditi, for being here today. And
My
I
pleasure.
hope our viewers got all the information on that how to set up a salon in